In this video, we'll review powering up and getting your 1500 Series A2 Biological Safety Cabinet ready for use. Let's start by plugging it in. The plug is 120 volts and NEMA 515, so it doesn't require a 20 amp receptacle. Plug it in and you'll hear the tone that lets you know that power is being supplied to the cabinet. Another way we know this is that the touchscreen will light up. Press the Start Setup button to bring up the setup screen. Choose one of the available languages: English, Chinese, French, Spanish, or Portuguese. Next, set up the date and time. Then enter the hours and minutes based on the 24-hour clock and select the Finish key. Now we're ready to attach any accessories. In this video, we'll look at adapting a SmartPort and installing a media valve. Let's start with the SmartPort. First, make sure the cabinet is on and operating so there is containment in the interstitial space. There are two sets of SmartPorts, an interior set and an exterior set on each side. We'll start with the outside. Cut a small opening on the outside on the spiral seam, just as much as you need and no more. Now we're ready for the inside. The recommended steps are removing the inner SmartPort, wiping it down with disinfectant, cutting the necessary opening, pull the partially placed cable through, then thread the inner SmartPort cover over the cable and reinstall it, while wiping the exterior of the cable with disinfectant. Now let's install a media valve. As before, start from the outside. You can use any of the three standard ports. Simply cut out the inner scored ring on the port you want to use. Do this on the inside too. Take the valve and insert it into the open port. Gently hold the valve in position. At the same time, place the washer and start tightening the nut on the outside. Apply sealant around the inside of the port where it touches the wall, then smooth out any excess sealant. Now your facility can connect the appropriate hose line. Setting up your Thermo Scientific 1500 Series A2 Biological Safety Cabinet properly will help it deliver the efficient, effective, and safe performance you need. Thanks for watching.